I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But I don't know about that.
When your mom says you're the cutest cat in the world, so why you liking other cats' photos on Instagram?
And I'm telling you, Bob, with a body like that, a face like that, and legs like hers, she's gonna be a Victoria's Secret supermodel.
But I hate you, I really hate you so much, I think it must be true love, true love.
To all the animal lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Cats are the fucking best.
I want to know who sees my TikToks. So if you see this, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know where you're from.
I'm laying in the bed right now and I'm just like, maybe I should get out the bed and go do something off the bed. But I realize if I get off the bed, I'm going to be out there doing nothing when I could just be doing nothing in the bed.
Why do my fluffing humans do this shit to me?
My only regret is that I didn't tell enough people to fuck off.
I'm freaking it out, 'cause I was trying to touch you, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her